Hello everyone, welcome to our live update for CCTV installation and networking class. So for today's class, for today's activity, they are doing wireless router configuration. So they are going to set up the router, or they will learn how to set up the router. So they will connect the router to modem or ISP line. So they will connect it with a PC to router. So yeah, just let's watch this activity so you have an idea what they are doing here in our CCTV installation and networking course. So this is the LAN, sir?
This is the access point.
Access point.
Yes.
Okay. They will open this one, or?
Yeah, I will open this one. It will go power off and power on like that. Once the power off,
Then I press now?
no. Until it boot, just do it. Check your laptop, it is showing on 𝓕𝓻𝓲𝓭𝓪𝓽𝓮. Refresh. Okay. Simple is there, then Wi-Fi is up. Now it will go. 𝓕𝓻𝓲𝓭𝓪𝓽𝓮. Check the password, backside.
This will be the password.
Password, wireless password. This one.
They fix this one to work, or?
It will work. Now there is no internet, so they will extend the internet from wirelessly to his laptop.
Okay. So yeah, this is our CCTV installation and networking course. So if you're interested also to gain the skills on how to install CCTV and networking skills, so yeah, you can enroll now for the next batch. You can message us on our WhatsApp +96599302850.